click on the bookmarks. Foxit will automatically generate the bookmarks according to the file names. Some of these files are PDF files and they already have bookmarks in them. So for example, this one here, the application for the non-molestation order, this one already had bookmarks in it. We don't want these bookmarks in our document. No one's ever going to need to be able to click on these separate sections of this document. So we're going to need to remove some of these. To do so, again, like when you're selecting the files, you click on the first one, hold down Shift, click on the last one, and just press delete. I've got rid of them. Likewise, in the order here, it's recognized two separate pages as different bookmarks. We wouldn't ever want to do that, so we're just going to delete that. And then likewise here for this report, I'm going to delete that as well. Okay, so we've got all of the documents here as bookmarks. What I would also do is, personally, I would create section headings. To do that, you go to the first page of the section. So for section A, it would be case summary, and this button up here with the plus sign, save the current view as a bookmark. And you click that, and it's going to allow you to create a section like this, and then you need to move the documents that you want into that section like this. So I'm just going to the first page where I want the section heading. The reason why I'm going to the first page is I'm setting, if someone clicks on section A, I want them to be able to go to the beginning of that section. So that's why I'm going to the beginning, that's why I'm going to C1, and then I'm placing my bookmark here. And then I'm just selecting the documents that I want to put in there and putting them in there. Section E. And no, I want to do that. So you want to double check the names of the documents that you have in your bookmarks, because when you generate the index, Foxit is going to use these names on your index. So you just want to double check to make sure they are how you want them to appear. So for example here C3, it's got this number, it's got the date of the first statement of the respondent. Don't really need that, so I'm just going to right click, I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to remove that date. You don't have to include these A1, A2, A3, A4, you can go through it and remove those if you wish. I've only used them, as I said before, just to populate the bundle initially so that it's in the correct order. If you don't want them, then you can remove them. There's no requirement in the practice direction regarding these A1, A2, A3. If you're wondering why I don't have a section D in my bundle, if you're wondering why I go section A, B, C and then to E, all that is because in the practice direction it specifies in 4.2 what each section should be. So section A is preliminary documents, B is applications, C is statements, D is care plans where appropriate. In my bundle I don't have any care plans, therefore I've excluded that section and I've gone straight to section E, which is the expert reports.